Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Faiz dari 8D. Di sini saya akan menceritakan cerita Maling Kundang dalam bahasa Inggris. Maling Kundang. Long time ago there was a woman lived in a village in Sumatra. She lived with her son Maling Kundang. Her husband was dead. Although she was very poor, she lived happily because she was a religious mother. She always expressed thanks to God for everything she got. But Maling Kundang once satisfied with such life. He wanted to be rich. He didn't want to stay with his mother in poverty all his life. Working in a big city and being a rich man was his obsession. One day there was a merchant ship dropped anchor at the harbor near his village. The captain of the ship was looking for new recruit for his crew. Maling Kundang heard this and he asked her mother, "Mother, I'm boring to live here. I want to happy to be a crew of this life." His mother said, "But you must be careful and always remember me." And Maling Kundang became the crew of the merchant ship. Many years later, Maling Kundang was very successful at sea. Not only he was now the captain of a ship, but also he was the owner of a fleet of merchant ships as well. He had become a very rich man, but he was very bored of hymns and very close fast. He never sent his mother a letter or money. He never visited her as well. One day, Maling Kundang trade back from other island, bringing his new, big and very expensive ship. A lot of people get her in the harbor when it dropped anchor, and an old man hurried to the home of Maling Kundang's mother and told her, he cried, old mother, your son has returned. He is the captain of a splendid ship that has dropped anchor in the harbor. He is a great man now. A rich man, they say it is own ship. Come, old mother, and see. Come and see. Was a captain and a shop owner, a man of affluence. This was a poor old woman bring a basket of rice, the poor of her woman, ill-clothed and unslung, not fit to be acknowledged, is the mother of Maling Kundang. He refused and said, "What do you want of me, old woman?" He shouted, "I don't know you. You are not my mother. Don't have stitch a poor mother. Go away, beggar, go away." Maling Kundang mother was very sad to hear that. She didn't imagine how it could happen. She was very disappointed. Then she lifted her hand with her eyes closed. She sighed, "Oh God, I know he is my son, but why has he turned so weak? Please don't let this wish continue. Punish him as you wish." Maling Kundang entered the ship, leaving his mother at the harbor. He entered to travel agent with his new ship. But suddenly the sky was dark and it rained heavily. Heavy storms started to shake the ship. Maling kundang tried of cried. Oh God, I know what I did, sin I have committed against my mother. Please forgive me. But it was too late this time. There was no forgiveness. The ship capsized and turned into a great rock. Maling kundang could enjoy his life anymore. Sekian cerita dari saya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.